Lao na ta.
Ha?
Go home na ta. Kay nakapalit na si Ella. What did you buy?
Yes. But mommy, but daddy needs to buy something in the DIY.
Mm.
So we have to go with daddy first. I'm gonna hold my bag in. Wait a minute. Wait up. I have to put my mommy to my bag, but because it's gonna fall down, it's gonna get.
Ella is so scared, guys.
I'm not scared.
Dili di ay. Dili di ay, guys.
I was just give it this one, give the candy to you because I'm gonna be so scared when I will look na kuha candy.